Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, we're going to take a quick look at the 2022 Corvette Stingray colors. Before we do, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Real quick, before we get started, I just want to remind you to take a look at my 2021 Chevy Corvette 1LT build and price review. The link is in the description below. Okay, so before we actually go through the exterior colors for the 2022 Corvette Stingray, let's just go through these slides and determine what is the best angle, what's the best look to view all of the exterior colors. Definitely not that angle there. This angle looks pretty good. I like this angle a lot. This angle, this side that shows the driver's side. But I think maybe this passenger side shot, this might be the way to go for us to take a look at the colors. So with that out of the way, let's start with the 12 basic exterior colors. This color here is Arctic White. Then we have black, torch red, ceramic matrix gray, Elkhart Blake blue, hypersonic gray, silver flare, and caffeine. These are all your basic exterior colors, these 12, and they are no cost color options. But then you also have 4 premium colors that are available on the 2022 Corvette Stingray, starting with Accelerate Yellow, which is a $500 option, Rapid Blue, which is a $500 option. Then you have Amplify Orange and Red Mist, both of which are $995 options. I think I like the Ceramic Matrix Gray the best. It's a no-cost color option. And let me know in the comments which color you like. And let's go ahead and wrap this video up. But before we do that, let's enlarge this picture and get a nice big shot of our Ceramic Matrix Gray 2022 Corvette Stingray. And there it is. Very, very nice looking car. All right, on that note, we're going to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching.